Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the essentials and making the first pull deliberate. Make sure each player knows current role, major cooldowns, and consumables, then call targets out loud. Once grouped, position tanks where they control adds and avoid frontal cleaves. Begin the pull with a coordinated stun or slow to strip early advantage from the raid mechanic. If you open cleanly, you'll buy time to set up the next phase with minimal chaos, so execute the opening precisely. Once the fight settles into the middle phase, you must establish rhythm and control. You will call out stacks or spreads before each mechanic and reposition quickly to safe zones. That prevents wipes. Make sure to stagger healing and defensive cooldowns so they are available for overlapping damage. When adds spawn, assign priority targets and use interrupts and crowd control in sequence. This prevents ability overlap and saves resources. Keep communicating timers and bloodless calls so the team stays synchronized. You close the encounter by coordinating a clean burn window. Call out when to use all DPS cooldowns and when tanks and healers should mitigate peak damage. After the boss falls, immediately collect loot and perform quick repairs, then record one key tweak to test next run. If you wipe, don't requeue blindly. Diagnose the single biggest failure point, adjust roles or positioning, and run a focused practice pull to practice that correction. That targeted fix prevents repeated failures and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.